So if I hover, Penpot tells me, okay, there's a grid layout here somewhere. I'm going to add a new row. So I double click, and I can see I'm now in edit mode. So this is a very specific grid layout edit mode. I want to add a new row. I'm going to give that the same height in pixels. This is for the password field. So perfect. Since I have a button component for this form, I'm going to add another row. I'm going to use that later. Again, I just drag a bit that and then input the same pixel or height. Exit edit mode. And now I want to start designing this a little bit. So Penpot understands that if I want to duplicate a component within a grid, the most obvious next place should be given for free. So I'm going to do that. Yeah, perfect. Thank you, Penpot. I'm going to change the text there. That's the password label. Same with this component. This is actually a flex component. I used flex for this. Duplicate, yeah, most obvious place, and I have that for free. I'm going to change again the text, so it's very obvious that it's a different thing. Perfect. So I had prepared this extra row I mentioned because it turns out, yes, I had this other button component, 2 buttons within a flex layout component. I'm going to, instead of automatically placing, I'm going to kind of drag and drop and manually position this. So I can do both. I can do automatic positioning, but also manual position. Now this is a flex layout that had a fixed width, but I don't want that behavior within this grid. So I'm going to give it 100% width. So automatically changes the width based on the grid behavior. Again, this is auto. This column that has auto. So you can see that if I drag and drop, I move the width, the flex component also reacts accordingly. Stay tuned for more amazing content related to this next major release that's coming.